So traditionally, oracles basically they're off-chain things. They're a bunch of nodes, and they're not doing anything on-chain until they publish the price, right? So they get price submissions off-chain, they aggregate them, they take a median, and then that median is published onto the chain. That obviously, if you had a million nodes, you still wouldn't know if those million nodes were the same person, or you basically have no protection against Sybil attacks, really. And so essentially it has ended up being, and it may not have been intended to be, quite centralized. There's not a vast amount of data providers. So conversely, we thought, okay, how do we make data better? Well, let's use the structure that we have found as an industry to do things that distribute trust and safety across a network. So we thought, why not build a blockchain that is actually acting as the oracle rather than a bunch of off-chain nodes? And so that's sort of the premise behind Flare.